Welcome back. We're now at episode 5 of a 6-part series on the new rules of sales in 2026. My name's Luke. I've been in the sales game for over 25 years. And trust me when I say, if there's one thing that's going to guarantee you long-term success in the sales game, no matter what the market throws at you, it's the ability to outlearn every single time. So in previous videos, we've spoken about how we outthink the mental side of the sales game, and even how we outsell, whether it be daily rituals, tools and tactics before and after the sales call. But here we're going to focus in again on outlearn. This is the engine that keeps everything running. It's the part that's actually going to make you better, faster, stronger, more confident on your sales call. And the sellers that are going to outperform everybody in 2026 are ones who treat these skills like a stack, not a checkbox. So let's bring back Bob. Remember Bob from the previous episodes and also the flip chart series that you can find on this channel? He started with nothing, like we all do. Some hopes, some dreams of making some money, some cool Instagram reels on his phone, and a little bit of hustle about him. But the difference between Bob now and Bob then is that Bob implements everything he sees and everything he learns. He tests it for himself. So whether it's something he saw on social media, something he learned from a coach or a mentor, he practices, he gets the reps in, he does the boring work to see if something will work for him. And what exactly has he had success with? Well, he's learned that objection handling isn't just some cool quips that we can get off Instagram reels. There is actually some psychology behind what we need to say. And that is something that has skyrocketed Bob's confidence from day one. What else has Bob learned? Well, he's learned that when it comes to things like rapport building, this isn't about being someone's best mate so you can sell them something. This is about the emotional calibration between two people. He's also learned that leadership, it doesn't mean dominating the sales call, being the alpha male. He is a leader in such a sense that he is a guide, bringing his clients and his prospects on a transformational journey from where they are now to where they want to be. He's also learned that confidence, it's not hype, it's not six-packs, it's not Lamborghinis, it's an inner stability. Bob has also gone deep on offer mechanics. It's all very well leaning into the emotional side of sales, but you need to be able to crunch the hard numbers live. Bob has also got clarity around his own mindset and his mission, which is essential to keep him cool, calm, and collected when things go sideways, as they inevitably will do at some point. So hopefully you can see that Bob isn't just learning sales. He's just not learning scripts. He's learning skills, and he's able to stack these skills and implement them into different parts of his sales calls. And then the boring, the feedback. He records all his calls. He records all his meetings. He gathers data. He reviews it himself. He also passes it to his peers, his teammates, his mentors, his coaches, his friends. When I was at IBM, we always used to say, feedback is a gift, whether you think it is or not at the time. But ultimately, everything gets broken down into data, actionable data that you can improve on and ultimately learn from. So my question for you is, when was the last time you treated sales as a skill stack? When was the last time you truly mastered something rather than just memorizing it ahead of your sales call? Trust me, if you can't build a learning engine in Q4, then you're not going to be able to keep pace come Q1. The good news is, check out the links below. I have a ton of free sales assets waiting to help you absolutely smash it in 2026. And you can also drop me an email. I'll get you on the wait list of something very cool coming in January. I'll see you then.